I am making a egg omelet with cheese, eggs, and sausage. So you're gonna crack your egg. I'm using 3 eggs, and I wash my hands. And now I'm gonna put my salt, my black pepper in. Put this down low. And I'm gonna put my salt. Sprinkle a little bit. Now I'm gonna beat my egg up. So I got the egg, beat it up. So I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. Like this. And now I'm gonna take the sausage and I'm gonna cut it up. So I got the sausage cut up in the bowl. So the sausage is cut up. And now I'm gonna put the cheese on it. Wash my hands. Put the cheese in it, the taco cheese. And sprinkle some cheese on it. And you have an egg omelet.